Hello and welcome back to Nail It by Nay. I know it's been a while. Today I'm using Mylee gel polish in the shade Stand By Me and some chrome powders to transform my nails. This is the first time I've done the chrome effect, so I really want to share this with you guys. I will also explain to you in a little while why I've used these chrome powders. So I'm doing this design straight onto my natural nails bar 2, which have been overlaid with acrylic using glitterbels. The colour is Honey Buff. Really nice colour, really nice product. I'm not going to lie, I'm not getting on with my Beetles base gel or the top coat. So I'm going to use my Mylee 5-in-1 builder gel as a base because you can use it as a base coat. I just prefer this product and it makes a lot more sense anyway because the gel colour that I'm using is also Mylee. As you can see, as a builder it is quite thick, so you just want to keep wiping excess product onto the bottle and then apply a really thin coat. I don't know if any of you have used or heard of the gel bottle, and I saw some really good products. I saw a really good combo of gel polish and a chrome powder of theirs, and I went to order it and you have to upload a certificate. And obviously I'm self-taught, so I just thought that was a real shame because, and I know it sounds really cocky now, but I am a hobbyist, but I've been doing it for a long time, and a lot of the time I use other professional products and my nails turn out looking quite professional. Again, like I said, might sound a little bit cocky, but so yeah, it was a real shame, but then that led me to going back to Mylee, which is one of the first brands I'd ever used, and finding a much cheaper chrome powder. I get it though, it's a professional brand, they want professionals using it and not randomers misusing it. But then I just feel it does leave us hobbyists out, us self-taught people. Yeah, maybe unbox stuff before you're like halfway through your nails. I've got my base coat on, so that could have easily ruined my nails. Don't make that mistake. But moving forward, I have done a base coat of the 5-in-1 builder gel, really thin, cured it for a minute in my LED lamp. So I'm going in with the colour and I'm going to do exactly the same and apply a really thin coat. As you've seen before in my previous videos, I am really extra. So bear with me while I take my time to get this nail perfect. Well, not perfect, nothing's perfect, but near perfect. And any previous viewers will know this is what I do at the beginning of my videos. Just ramble on, information overload, to the point where we don't get a chance to hear any music in the first few minutes, so I'm going to shut up for a bit now. It does seem to be going on smoother on the acrylic overlays, just a pointer. Just so you are aware, I did a third really thin coat because on the acrylic nails, the acrylic overlaid nails, it looks great, but it was still looking a little bit washy, a little bit thin on the other nails. At this point, I'm just showing off the gel polish that I used in case the chrome doesn't go so well, and then I've still got a video. This brush didn't actually come with this set, but it appears to be the right brush that you use for chrome nails. We'll find out. I got it with another set of glitters, so it doesn't even seem appropriate for them glitters if I'm honest, but it's come in handy now. Wow, a bit tricky to open, but got there in the end. Whoa, I really like it. The colours aren't coded or named, so I'm just using the colour in the middle that looks like it's got a little bit of a pink tint to it. Not sure I need to be putting this much on, but like I did say, it is my first attempt, so I mean, yeah, next time I could calm down on the amount of powder. You are going to need to top coat your nails again, but wipe your brush before you put it back in the bottle because the glitter is coming off onto my brush. I am so happy with how they've turned out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.